Reshit Chochmah says that the seventh level is a level of Gehenom that the one that enters doesn't leave. In the Gemara, Masechet Rosh Hashanah, page 17, says that that level of Gehenom, the wicked that go in there, even after the Mashiach comes, even after the world ends, their Gehenom will not end. Their Gehenom will not end. There's different types of sinners that go into that level of Gehenom. And there's different types of sinners that go there. One is a Mechalel Shem Hashem, someone that desecrates Hashem's name on purpose. Another one is a Mechalel Shabbat, someone that drives on Shabbat on purpose, regular basis, doesn't do tshuva. This obviously everything is subject to tshuva. If someone does tshuva before they die, then they could lower their suffering and potentially not go to a Gehenom that never ends, or perhaps even get out, not even go. It depends on their level of tshuva. But someone that's a Mechalel Shabbat, Befaresia, that's also, they go there. Someone like J.C. Penney that goes against the rabbis and is considered a min. Min means someone that gets people away from God on a regular basis. Someone that gets people away. So missionaries, messianics, all these people that get people away from God, away from the Torah, there's a special VIP section for them in that level of Gehenom, right next to J.C. Penney, their leader. For all of you that take this offensively, good. Good, you should take it offensively. It's the point, is for you to take it offensively. Why? Because when you take away people from God, you are the enemy. You are the enemy. And Hashem Yitbarach wrote something to those people. He wrote something to those people so that they should know. If you take people away from Him, they should know that Hashem is not joking. He's not happy with them. As a matter of fact, He wrote them a special pasuk in the book of Isaiah, chapter 48, verse 22. En shalom amar Hashem la-reshaim. No peace to the reshaim, Hashem said. You're Rashai, taking away people from me. No peace for you. No peace. I don't want peace. Hashem is not interested in peace. It's a pasuk in the Torah. Book of Isaiah, you go, 48, 22, and shalom. He doesn't want shalom. And this answers the question of sometimes you see Reshaim that sometimes are Jews, sometimes non-Jews, but they live a long life. They live a long life. 70 years, 80 years, 100 years, whatever you live, but they're Rasha. The guy's a thief, or the guy is a criminal of other kinds. The guy goes against the Torah on a regular basis, and so on. You see him live a long life. What happened? In a Parashat Vayetchanan, the last 3 verses, Hashem says to the Reshaim, I pay them cash to their face to destroy them. Meaning that Hashem gives them whatever reward is due to them for the few mitzvot they did in their life, in this life. Why? To make sure that nothing is owed to them after this life. Because whatever is left of this life, He's going to give them, but after this, only thing that's left is destruction. Meaning they go to this Gehenom that doesn't end. Now the question is, why does He give them such a long life? Why don't you just give them a short life, but just give them a lot of reward in a short period of time? Right? Instead of giving the guy $1 million a year for 80 years, give him $100 million. You give him an extra 20 million, but only 1 year. Kill the guy at the end. Why not? Right? It's a good deal. He enjoys a great year. The Rambam in Ilchot Shuvah says that Hashem gets, again, anger to Hashem is different. It's not, I don't think that Hashem has feelings. But the Rambam explains it in words that we can understand, just like they use different words in the Torah, like Hashem's arm. Hashem doesn't have an arm. Hashem took us out of Egypt with a strong arm. He doesn't have an arm. But it's in a figurative language for us to understand. The Rambam says that some people are so wicked that Hashem decides, that's it, I'm going to give him extra time. Extra time and extra ways for him to sin. Why? To punish him extra. He's such a big enemy that Hashem gives him more time and more opportunities to sin. Hashem Yerachem. And the Rambam says this is the worst punishment a person can get in this world. And the reason why is because Hashem closes the doors of tshuva to such a person. He says this person will not be able to do tshuva. This is the worst punishment in this world. So this answers that question of Reshaim that live a long life.